Here's the 6 biggest mistakes real estate agents make with Facebook ads. Number 1, clicking boost or promote on Facebook or Instagram. When you click boost or promote, you're telling the platform that you want more people to view your post, whereas what you actually want is more leads. So in order to do that, you need to run a proper lead generation campaign. I actually have a couple of videos on this channel, so if you want to check out exactly how you do that, you can check those out. Number 2 is having the wrong expectations when calling your leads. You cannot just call a lead once or twice and then give up on the lead. We actually call 10 times per lead, and that's twice every day for 5 days per lead, so that we can get the maximum out of the leads that we generate. Sometimes the solution is just more volume. Chances are, if you're a busy agent, you won't have the time to make all of those calls, and that's where we actually help our clients call the leads for them, so that all they have to do is deal with the warm, high quality leads that we pass over to them. Number 3 is not using a script. Winging it and not using a proven script is another big issue that we see. We have to understand the perspective from which the lead is receiving our call. They will assume it's a cold call, so when you call, you need to tell them immediately that they have actually filled out their details on your Facebook ad, so that you actually have a reason to speak to them. And you also want to confirm that you have the right person on the phone. So for example, something like, hey, is this John? I was just giving you a call regarding your response to our Facebook ad about wanting a list of homes under 900K in the Manhattan area. Have you already found a home, or are you still interested in getting our list? And I can maybe do another video on breaking down exactly why this script works and the other components and the psychology of it, so that you have a deeper understanding of it. Number 4 is not booking a meeting from a meeting. So you always want to set the next step with the day and time and let them know exactly what value that you're going to be providing in that next meeting that you're having, so that they actually have a reason to show up. If a conversation ends with, I'll let you know you've probably messed up somewhere. Sometimes that may happen, but it's something you want to avoid. Number 5 is no valuable follow-up. So something I hear, which is quite common with agents I speak to when I ask them about their follow-up process, is they'll say that they've put them on a search so that they'll get homes in their emails. But you have to think about it from the perspective of the prospect. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, think about what commission that you will be receiving from them, and think about whether you have actually provided that much value. So for example, if your commission is going to be $10,000, for example, think about, have I actually provided $10,000 worth of value to that person to justify them actually working with me? Because ultimately they have other options. They can go and work with another agent. So we do need to make sure we provide value to them, as they're going to be picking the agent who has the best relationship with them, but also provides the most value to them as well. Number 6 is working with a bad service provider or under-investing. Under-investing is a common issue that I see from agents all of the time. They spend $300 to $500 per month roughly, and they expect a transaction per month, when realistically that's a 20 to 35x return on the average commission. And if a company was actually able to provide that, then they probably wouldn't be charging $300 to $500. They'd probably be charging a lot more. That doesn't mean that you should just pay a lot more and expect results. Obviously, you do have to do your due diligence when you pick a company to work with. So here's some important questions that you can ask a service provider so that you can make sure you're not making a bad decision. Firstly, where do the leads come from? Secondly, what is the qualification process? And thirdly, what is the journey that the lead has gone through in order to become a lead and after they have become a lead? Also, you can check out their Google reviews, as they can't be deleted. And I've noticed a lot of companies don't even have a profile, probably because if they did, they would have a lot of bad reviews. So those are the main mistakes I see people make. If you can avoid these, then you should be able to get very, very good results. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you'd like to learn more about how you can grow your real estate business, make sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of my new videos. I'm going to be putting out a lot of value out there for all of you to grow your business.